Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. We have a mouthful today. We're going to look at the TurtleWax Streak-Free Mist, Slick Shine Quick Detailer, and also Waterless Wash. It has bits of ceramic and will repel and protect. You do get 20 ounces for under 10 bucks. I got mine at Walmart. With the shop manager keeping a close eye, I will show you how to use it a few different ways. It is versatile. The first, we're going to use it as a quick detailer. So this car is already clean. It's already cool and a nice shaded area. Not necessary, but in this case, it is. So we're just going to spray it onto the surface. I'll spray it onto half of the hood here. We'll spread it out, flip the towel over, and buff dry. Pleasant to work with so far, has a nice scent to it. Doesn't really fight you. It's easy to spread out and wipe off. And the product is safe on all hard surfaces on the exterior of your car, truck, or motorcycle, RV, or boat, including paint, glass, metal, plastic, and rubber trim. And I'll show you, besides the paint, I'll put it on the headlights, taillights, A pillars, B pillars, the soft black piano finish on them, glass, also wheels, calipers, trim, any type of trim at all, from plastic to rubber to chrome to aluminum. As usual, we will discuss the pros and cons of each tool or product we show here on the channel. Everything experienced so far has been positive, so it's a pro, and it's easy to work with, has a pleasant scent, and you will notice the slickness immediately. Okay, that takes care of a clean car that we just wanted to add some gloss and slickness and maybe clean some fingerprints and light dust. Let's go out to a car. My Lambo here has just been sitting out for a short while, but already it's been dry and the pollen is crazy this year. So you can use it in direct sunlight, and I'll show you right here on glass and on paint. Uh, you know, to clean something like this, some light dust and pollen, fine. I wouldn't use it on anything that's heavily soiled. I would then resort to a pressure washer foam cannon and bucket. On your painted surfaces, if it has a coating or maybe unprotected or even PPF, just use your rolling method, douse the area with the Slick Shine Quick Detailer, and roll your hand, roll your fist, roll the towel, and instead of just plowing dirt into your paint, lift it off of there. And when you're finished, it won't take long at all. You'll have a very slick, shiny, clean vehicle, and you're ready for a ride. To the test panel. And instead of applying to an already clean panel and prepped panel, we'll use this product since it's a waterless wash. We'll use it to clean and protect at the exact same time. Back to the pros and cons. A little bit of a drawback. When you have something that's this filthy, you want to douse it with a waterless wash to make sure there's plenty of polymers to give you good lubrication and try to resist the swirling. With a pump nozzle like this that just atomizes product, it takes quite some time to get enough product onto the panel. So that's a little bit of a drawback. Maybe another option for a nozzle that can attach to this would be great. And then once again, the slickness will be the first thing you notice. But with this paint here, the metallic red really pops through. And you could see on the towel how much junk we pulled off of this little section of the panel. The gloss increases as ceramics cure, but the initial readings, and there's the slickness again, it's hard to just keep the gloss meter in place. You'll see 2 or 3 units in jump of gloss on this panel between the clean and protected area and the untreated area. And another demonstration of slickness. Let's rinse off and wash the hood as a whole, and you'll be able to see the water behavior. The detailer slash waterless wash will bead water from the surface. Quite honestly, not expecting much when it comes to durability, but let's do a 10 wash test. Strip wash and a highly alkaline wash included. So you'll be able to get a couple washes out of it. I would, if you're using it as a quick detailer, protectant, and gloss booster, apply it maybe once a month. So the pros and cons: great price, easy to work with, great scent, very slick. The gloss is average, and the durability is well, obviously going to be low on a product such as this. But overall, I'll give it 7.5 out of 10. And I'll put a link down below so you can look into it further. Catch you guys in the next video.